So now we are going to start. This is our eggs. So
no oven apple cake, okay?
So everything, guys, is in room temperature. So everything is in room temperature. So I will add our sugar. So first I am going to whisk our eggs. So in apple cake, guys, pwede na hindi kayo gumamit ng hand mixer. Pwede na siya manually. You can bake it manually. So make it sure the eggs is lightly pale before you add the sugar. So this is it. So now I am going to add the sugar, guys. This is so I'll be using 3/4 cup of sugar. Kasi yung apple natin, guys, sweet na siya. So there is already a sugar in our apple, kaya ito na lang ang ginagawa ko. So now I am going to add our vegetable oil. 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, guys. At this point, guys, I am going to add 1/2 cup of milk first para hindi magiging siya, guys, liquid ang ating mixture. So we will add additional 1/2 of milk, guys, if our mixture is a little bit dry. So now I am going to add our, supposedly, this is what we are going to do. We're going to add our wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. So this is it. The cinnamon is very smell good because of the cinnamon. So So this is what we are going to do, guys. We will add our apple. Okay? And mix it well. So ihahalo ng mabuti, guys, ang ating apple. Siguro ito lang yung ko gamitin ko, guys. At maglagay din tayo, guys, na vanilla. Vanilla essence. So 1/2 teaspoon lang o vanilla, guys, kasi may cinnamon na tayo. Okay? Ready na siya, guys, ito. I-mix ko na lang kasi may vanilla pa. Maglagay na lang ako ng parchment paper sa bottom ng ating baking tins, guys. Okay? Para for you. Ito na. We are going to pour our mixture to our baking tin or baking pan. So, here we go. Simple lang siya, guys. Very simple lang. Supposedly, before, when I baked this one back in Australia, guys, I bake at 180 degrees Celsius. Our heat of the gas ranges, and then in our oven, and then ano siya guys, iyan na siya guys ha. Tapos guys, nag-ano ako guys, at 30 minutes guys, check ko na siya guys pagluto na or whatsoever, kasi ano lang siya, this is not a huge mixture guys. Possibly this will just cook around 45 minutes. Okay, ilagay ko na ito siya guys. Okay, ng ating bagong improvised na baking. So ito na. So you are just going to put first in the high heat 14 minutes guys, then turn into medium heat. Okay. So guys, this is the second time to check my apple cake every 5 minutes guys. Wow guys, almost there. Okay, that's the apple cake, my darling. So that's the apple cake guys. So when you are going at 30 minutes guys, you are going to check every 5 minutes then. Okay, so ito na, nag-check na si Pari.
Close.
Close.
Very close.
Additional 3 minutes.
Yeah, 3.
And I'm going to up the heat so it will become a little bit brown.
Okay.
2 minutes.
Ooh, 2 minutes on that 8.
Yeah. So guys, that is how I managed to when you are going to pick up the cake in the cooking pot or in the oven, you should invert, because if you are not going to invert, your cake will be depleted. So hi guys, this is our finished product. This is no oven apple cake. No oven apple cake guys. Kunin natin itong ano guys, parchment paper niya guys. So we are picking up the part guys. Look. No oven apple cake. Thank you for watching to my channel guys, and I will link the recipe below. Thank you. Of our apple, no oven apple cake. Okay, look at the apple cake guys. Oh, sobrang sarap guys, nakakatakam-takam. So if you don't have an oven in your house guys, just follow what I did para magkaroon kayo ng cake. Makagawa kayo ng any cakes, side cakes, front cakes, back cakes, and whatever cakes you would like to make. Okay, thank you for watching to my channel guys, and please don't forget to click the bell button guys, and of course to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. This is Tasty channel. Bye.